This is Azam from the OpenCBS team, and in this video I'd like to show you how you can open term deposit accounts in OpenCBS software. So let's start. Term deposit account works through the current account, through the customer's current account, and which means that when customers would like to open a term deposit account, they first need to deposit funds into the current account, and from the current account the amount that needs to be taken to open a term deposit account. So this is our customer. Let's say that this customer has no money in his current account now, but we can deposit the funds through the teller management. We need to go to the deposit to current account, then specify the customer, let's say this customer, and this customer would like to deposit, let's say 50,000 USD, and we can add some description here. We need to specify the depositor and click on it. Okay, let's go back to the customer and check his current account. Okay, now this customer has 50,000 in his current account. Then to open a term deposit account, we need to go to the term deposit tab here and click on the create term deposits button. And here, term deposit product, we need to select the term deposit product. Let's say the customer is opening a term deposit for 12 months. We need to specify the term deposit officer, term deposit created date, and you see the interest rate and maturity we cannot be changed here because we set minimum maximum value as 3. The interest rate is 2% and maturity is 12 months here. And if there are any fees like early close fee or you can specify it here. So let's say that in case the customer decides to close the term deposit before the maturity date, you charge, let's say, 100 USD. So once you have specified everything, you can click on the save button, and here you need to click the open button and specify the initial amount. Let's say that the customer would like to open a term deposit account for 45,000, and after that you need to specify the open date and click open. So the system says the account has been successfully opened, and there are more tabs available now. If you click entries here, you can see the list of accounting entries. For example, now we have just done one transaction here, and in the operations tab you have 3 options like lock, close, and actualize term deposit. If the customer decides to close the account, you can click close, then specify date, and click OK. Once you have closed the account, the amount will go to customer's current account. Lock is used when all operations with the account should be suspended. For example, this could be useful if a customer is late on his loan and the financial institution would like to make sure that the customer cannot access term deposits, or in case the customer is under sanctions. No interest and penalties are calculated or credited here, and to unlock, to lock, you can just click lock, and if you click lock, so you see that you cannot do anything, and to unlock you can click unlock. And we use actualize when we create deposit accounts in the past date. So all term deposit accounts opened in the past date should be actualized before daily closure procedure. To view all the term deposit accounts entered into the system, we need to go to the tab called liabilities, then term deposits. And there is the list of term deposit accounts with 5 columns. Profile indicates the person or account company who owns the term deposit account. Code describes the term deposit account code. Created date, you can see when this deposit product was opened. Created, and open date, you see the when the account was opened. So you see the term deposit officers here and the status of the term deposit. It can be either open or in progress. So if you need to see the details of the term deposit account, you can just click the needed person and see the details and do different operations. So in this video, we have seen how we can open term deposit accounts and how we can do different operations with the account. Thank you for your attention.